Di Bayaw. I'm here to give an example in fluid mechanics from Chapter 5, The Fundamentals of Fluid Flow. The ducts of an air conditioning system pass through an open area. The inlet velocity and the mass flow rate of air are to be determined. The density of air is given to be 0.082 pounds meter per cubic feet at the inlet. So this is the figure. So the solution. So to find the velocity, we need this equation. So velocity is equal to volume flow rate over the area. So velocity is equal to 475 cubic feet per minute over. So the formula to find the area is equal to pi d squared over 4. So pi times 20 inches. So inches, we need this to convert into feet. So 20 inches over 12 inch raised to 2 over 4. So simplify, our velocity is equal to 217.72 feet per minute. So this minute, we need this to convert into second. So velocity is equal to 217.72 feet over minute times 1 minute over 60 seconds is equal to 3.63 feet per second. So this is our velocity, the inlet velocity. So next, to find the mass flow rate of air. So the formula is mass flow rate is equal to the density times the volume flow rate. So M is equal to 0.082 pounds meter per cubic feet, which is the density of air, times the 475 cubic feet over minute. So simplify. So M is equal to 38.95 pounds meter per minute. So this minute, we need this to convert into second. So M is equal to 38.95 pounds meter over minute times 1 minute over 60 seconds. So our M is equal to 0.65 pounds meter per second.